Plant FAQs. Ceanothus Julia Phelps. All you need to know about Ceanothus Julia Phelps, a California dream shrub. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm obsessed with California natives. They're tough, beautiful, and perfectly adapted to our climate. Today, we're diving deep into Ceanothus Julia Phelps, a California lilac that's been a star for over 50 years, and for good reason. See more 73 species in genus Ceanothus at monsteraholic.com. What is Ceanothus Julia Phelps? Ceanothus Julia Phelps is a California lilac cultivar, a stunning evergreen shrub known for its vibrant violet blooms and drought tolerance. It's a California native, typically reaching 5 to 7 feet tall and wide, making it ideal for borders, hedges, or even a small specimen tree. Ceanothus Julia Phelps versus Dark Star. When I had Ceanothus Julia Phelps in my garden, I loved how its vibrant, lavender blue blooms created a beautiful contrast against its dark green foliage. However, I found that Ceanothus Dark Star's deep, almost navy blue flowers and more compact growth habit made it a standout in smaller spaces and added a touch of elegance that Julia Phelps didn't quite match. How to plant and care for Ceanothus Julia Phelps. Planting Ceanothus Julia Phelps is straightforward. Here's the lowdown. Sun. Full sun along the coast, partial shade inland. Soil. Well draining is key. Amend clay soil with sand or decomposed granite. Watering. Water deeply once a week to establish, then reduce to almost none. It thrives on neglect. Feeding. No need for fertilizer. In fact, too much nitrogen can make it less drought tolerant. Planting tip. For best results, plant Julia Phelps in fall, winter, or early spring. Blooming beauty, a showstopper. Ceanothus Julia Phelps puts on a spectacular floral display in late spring and early summer. The deep violet flowers erupt in dense, rounded clusters, attracting butterflies and bees. A word on color. Heavy rain can sometimes mute the flower color, but it quickly returns to its vibrant form. Maintenance. Minimal effort, maximum reward. Ceanothus Julia Phelps is a low-maintenance dream. Here's what you need to know. Pruning. Prune lightly after flowering to maintain shape and encourage bushier growth. Pests and diseases. Relatively pest and disease resistant. Pro tip. Deadheading spent flowers can encourage additional blooms throughout the season. Where does Ceanothus Julia Phelps shine? This versatile shrub thrives in various settings. Hedging. Its dense growth makes it a perfect privacy hedge. Borders. Planted along walkways or borders for a stunning floral display. Specimen plant. Showcase its beauty as a standalone shrub in a sunny spot. Native plant gardens. A must-have for gardens featuring California native plants. Ceanothus Julia Phelps versus other California lilacs. While Julia Phelps is a star, there are other captivating Ceanothus varieties. Ceanothus Dark Star, similar to Julia Phelps, but slightly larger with darker purple flowers. Ceanothus Point Reyes, a compact variety with deep blue flowers, ideal for smaller spaces. Ceanothus Concha features stunning white flowers, a unique addition to the lilac family. Choosing the right Ceanothus. Consider size, flower color, and desired placement when selecting your perfect California lilac. Beyond beauty, the benefits of Ceanothus Julia Phelps. Ceanothus Julia Phelps offers more than just aesthetics. Drought tolerance, a champion of water conservation, perfect for our dry climate. Nitrogen fixation, fixes nitrogen from the air, enriching the soil for other plants. Wildlife habitat, attracts butterflies, bees, and other beneficial insects. Eco-friendly bonus, planting California natives supports local ecosystems and reduces reliance on imported plants. Bringing Ceanothus Julia Phelps home. Where to find it? Finding Ceanothus Julia Phelps is easy. Look for it at local nurseries specializing in California native plants. Remember, buying from reputable nurseries ensures healthy, well-adapted plants. Ceanothus Julia Phelps, a California classic. Ceanothus Julia Phelps is a California dream shrub, offering beauty, drought tolerance, and ecological benefits. With minimal care, it rewards you with a show-stopping floral display and a valuable contribution to your garden's ecosystem. So, plant a Ceanothus Julia Phelps and embrace the California dream in your own backyard.